Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, good morning. Welcome to class 5th Maths chapter number 3 Factors and Multiples session 4. In previous lecture we have learnt about prime numbers, composite numbers, co-prime numbers, twin prime numbers and begun exercise 3.1. Now in this lecture, we will continue this exercise 3.1. Now, in exercise 3.1, we do question number 3. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? हम लोग को क्या बताया गया है इसमें कि हम लोग को जो नंबर्स दिए गए हैं उनमें से कौन से नंबर्स डिविजिबल बाय 2 यानी कि 2 से डिवाइड होते हैं वो हमें बताना है। तो डिविजिबिलिटी हम लोगों ने रूल पढ़ा था 2 का कि कोई भी नंबर जब एंड यानी वंस प्लेस पे 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 ये डिजिट्स आती है वंस प्लेस पे तो वो नंबर 2 की टेबल में आता है एंड इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ इवन नंबर। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद ए। इन ए वी हैव 6742. So in this we have 2 at ones place, that is it's an even number. So we write here yes that it is divisible by 2. Next we have 12. In this at ones place there is 2, so it is also an even number, so we write here yes it is divisible by 2. Next we have 93,495. Now in this at one place there is 5. 5 is not an even number, so we write here no, this whole number cannot divisible by 2. Next we have 156. In this ones place we have 6 and 6 is an even number, so we write yes this 156 is divisible by 2. Okay. Now we have question number 4. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 3? अब इसमें हमें क्या करना है, जो नंबर्स दिए गए हैं उनमें फाइंड करना है कि कौन सा नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 3 मतलब डिवाइड बाय 3 यानी 3 की टेबल में आता है। सो फर्स्ट वी हैव 512. 512. सो डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 3 इज हम लोग को हर एक डिजिट्स को एडिशन मतलब प्लस करना होता है। अगर वो नंबर जो एडिशन के बाद आया है वो 3 की टेबल में आता है तो फुल यानी ये वाला नंबर भी ओरिजिनल नंबर जो है वो भी 3 की टेबल में आता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट वी हैव 512. इन दिस वी हैव 5 प्लस 1 प्लस 2. सो एडिशन ऑफ 5, 1 and 2 is 8. So we can say that 8 is not divisible by 3. So 512 is also not divisible by 3. So we write here no. Next we have 81. So in this we have 8 plus 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9 and 9 is divisible by 3. So 81 also divisible by 3. So we write here yes. Next we have 1331. Now we add these 4 digits 1, 3, 3, 1. So addition of 1, 3, 3, 1 is 8. and 8 is not divisible by 3. So 1331 is also not divisible by 3. So we write here no. Next we have 43,215. So when we add these digits 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5. So when we add 4, 3, 2, 1, 5. So 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15. So its additions are 15. Now 15 is divisible by 3. So this original number 43,215 is also divisible by 3. So we write here yes. Okay. Now question number 5. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 5? अब हमें क्या बताना है, जो नीचे दिए नंबर्स हैं उनमें से कौन से नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 5 मतलब कि डिवाइडेड बाय 5 मतलब 5 की टेबल में आते हैं. सो डिविजिबल ऑफ 5 का रूल क्या था डिविजिबिलिटी का कि वंस प्लेस पे क्या होना चाहिए, 0 होना चाहिए या 5 होना चाहिए. वंस प्लेस पे 0 या 5 होता है तो वो 5 की टेबल में आते हैं नंबर. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव 67,735. So we check ones place. At ones place we have 5. So it comes in 5's table. So we write here yes. Next we have 8,750. So at ones place we have 0 and it is fulfill the divisibility rule. So yes, this number, that is 8,750 is divisible by 5. Next we have 93,232. So in this number at ones place we have 2. So we write here no, because we only need 5 and 0 at ones place for the divisibility of 5. Next we have 4,391. So at ones place we have 1. So it is also not divisible by 5. Okay. Now question number 6. In each of the following determine whether the first number is divisible by the second number. इसमें भी हमें क्या बोला गया है कि हम लोग को जो ये नंबर्स दिए गए हैं हम लोग को बताना है कि फर्स्ट नंबर जो है वो सेकेंड नंबर से डिविजिबल हो रहा है या नहीं. सो फॉर दिस वी हैव टू रिमेंबर ऑल द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव 65,01,804 divided by 4. So it is the first number and it is the second number. So we know the divisibility rule of 4, that ones and tens, that is last two digits, is divisible by 4. So the original number is divisible by 4. So we have last two digit is 4, that is 4 divided by 4, that is 1. So there is no remainder, so we write yes, this original number is divided by 4. Next we have 71,282 divided by 6. So here it is first number and it is second number. Now the divisibility rule of 6, that it means this number should divided by 2 and 3 both. So when we take the divisibility rule of 2, we have even number at the last place, so that is fulfill the divisibility of 2. Divisibility of 2, yes. Now we have to check the divisibility of 3. it is that when we add all these digits, the sum is divisible by 3. So the original number is also divisible by 3. So now we add all these digits. That is 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 2. So when we add all these digits, we get 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, and 18 plus 2 is 20. So we get 20. Now 20 is not divisible by 3. So the divisibility of 3 is not possible. So from this we can know this number is not divisible by 6 also. So we write here no. Next we have 40,39,212 divided by 6. So in this again we have to remember the rule of 6. So we have to compare the divisibility of 2 and 3. So first we write divisibility of 2. So divisibility of 2 is our even number that we have. So yes, it is divisible by 2. Next we have divisibility of 3, that we have to add all these digits. So when we add 4, 0, 3, 9, 2, 1 and 2. So when we added 4 plus 0 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 9 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 1 19, 19 plus 2 21. So we get 21, and 21 is divisible by 3. So it also given yes. Now divisible by 2 is yes, divisible by 3 is yes. So this original number is divisible by 6 also. Next we have 1,30,94,864 divided by 8. Now the divisibility of rule of 8 is we have to see the hundreds, tens and ones place, that is last 3 digits of a number. If it is divisible by 8, so we can say that original number also divisible by 8. Now we have to divide 864 by 8. So we write here 864 divisible by 8. So 8 ones are 8. So here remains 0. Next we take 6. 6 is not divisible by 8. It is smaller than 8. So we write here 0 and take 4 downwards. Now 8 divides 64 is, here comes 8 are 64. So here comes 0 0. So we have remainder as 0. So we can write yes, this whole number, that is original number, is divisible by 8. Okay. Now we have E. 4,42,242 divided by 9. Now we have to remember the divisibility rule of 9. That is, हम लोग को सब digits का addition. We have to add all the digits, and the sum of the digits, if is divisible by 9, so the original number is also divisible by 9. So let's start the addition of this digits. We have 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 2 is 18. So the addition of this is 18. Now 18 is divisible by 9. So this original number is also divisible by 9. So we write here yes. our next sum is 27,808 divided by 11. So the property of divisibility rule of 11 is we have to add the odd number places and even number places. So first we have odd places, that is ones, hundreds and 10,000. So we write here odd places, that is 8 plus 8 plus 2. So addition of 8, 8 and 2 is 18. Now even places. Now addition of even places, tens and thousands, that is 0 plus 7, that is 7. Now we have to take difference of odd place and even place, that is we have to subtract 18 and 7. So 18 subtract 7 gives 11. Now we have to check this number if it is divisible by 11, so the original number is also divisible by 11. So 11 is divisible by 11 once time. So we write here yes, this original number is divisible by 11. Okay.